Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful mint condition 2007 Lexus LS 460, and this one is in very supreme condition. One of the most opulent cars at the time that you could drive. Gives you so much bang for your buck, and you will see a million miles out of this engine. It's unparalleled reliability for a beautiful large flagship V8 sedan, and this one is just super clean. Under 100,000 miles, no reported accidents, auto check certified, one previous owner, and still has a factory Lexus battery in it. Not original, but just always been serviced by Lexus, and you can tell, it shows. Comes with these beautiful clean and clear xenon headlights, and then they also have auto leveling, so this low beam here will turn with the steering wheel. Then it has park assist, so it has all these parking sensors to let you know if you're getting too close to another vehicle, front and rear. And then it also has fog lights as well too. These nice large disc brakes, front and rear, four-wheel disc, and then it comes with Michelin Pilot Sport tires all season, all the way around. These are new and very expensive tires, so nothing but the best for the most luxurious Japanese sedan on the market. So it comes with factory wheel locks. It also has a full leather interior, navigation system. Power options include windows, locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof, sunshade. Original owner's manual, beautiful clean dash, no issues there. So our navigation system has dual climate controls, automatic AC. And then it has 6-disc CD changer, AM/FM stereo, satellite radio capable. Charging port, ashtray, dual cup holders, nice wood grain trim. Automatic transmission with the optional sport shift. It's an 8-speed transmission, comes with powered snow mode, traction control, heated and ventilated front seats. Also has heated rear seats and a rear sunshade. Lexus premium sound. All the door panels have slight cracking on it. That was one of their major issues that they had with these vehicles, was just the interiors would do that. But it comes with a power seat belt, so up here the seat belt has the ability to move up and down. So as you can see here, we can move it up. Very comfortable seats. Seats are like sitting on a cloud, and then this vehicle rides like it's on a cloud. It's so large. These front fenders are huge, a huge front hood, but it doesn't feel that large while you're driving. Comes with keyless smart entry across all 4 doors, so any of the doors you can access. And then it also has sensing side view mirrors, so the lights light up under the mirrors when it senses the key. And then it has automatic power folding mirrors, so when the car is shut off and you lock the interior of the vehicle, the mirrors will automatically fold in. So you see that little bit of cracking there on every door panel. Factory floor mats throughout, rear AC controls, an additional charging port down below. Large center console armrest, and that includes the heated seats inside, so you can control those functions, and you can control the power sunshade in the back, dual cup holders, wood grain trim with that as well too. And then it has side curtain airbags, and then up top on both sides it has vanity mirrors for the rear passengers as well. So vanity mirrors front and rear. No dings, dents, or scratches. It's in literal perfect condition. The rear bumper has just some very minor scratches, but it comes with all the tools, emergency kit, full-size spare tire. That is the original wheel from 2007, so that tire's pretty old at this point, but still comes with the spare. Comes with the Lexus first aid kit, and you see the rear backup camera and the LS 460s. They also sometimes come optioned with a power rear trunk. This one has a manual one. You could still pop it open from the inside or outside, but usually they have a soft close on the trunk. And then they also come equipped with soft close doors, to where if you leave them cracked, they will automatically close. This one, however, does not have that package. But behind the driver's side, we got all automatic windows, up and down, power locks, 3 memory seat settings, and the power seat belt. And then For the driver's side, we get a power ottoman here, so the whole bottom slides forward and back, and then lumbar support, tilt. It's got multiple ways to configure the driver's seat for the most comfortable ride possible. And then we have our hood, trunk, fuel door release, pocket storage, heated steering wheel, park assist, and the movable headlights, and the automatic side view mirrors, and then our power mirror switch. So the tilt and telescopic for the Lexus is power, so as you can see it folds down and comes towards you. Multi-function steering wheel to include stereo, voice command, stereo controls, brake hold, very nice feature. And then you have the ability to change the display up there for tire pressure, average fuel economy, down to empty, and driving speed. Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, automatic headlights, fog lights, and interval front wipers, push to start. And then it has washers for the headlights, and then interior illumination. 87,000 original miles. We got the automatic park light on, so when you put it in park, it puts that light on. So if you take it out of park and put it in drive, the park light will go away. Just gotta add it on auto there. So as you can see, no warning lights on the dashboard. Nice revving V8. These cars are very quick. They come with almost 400 horsepower. So as you can see, the rear backup camera, navigation system, all there. You can control your audio controls and such, touchscreen stereo. Clock, the dual climate controls, AC's ice cold, auto dimming rear view mirror, sunglass storage and LED spotlights, as well as home link and sunroof switch. So with the home link, you can power the garage door, and the sunroof is a one-touch open and close. They offer so many options with this vehicle. This one's optioned with the right amount of options because these can come equipped with an active electronic suspension that just needs constant maintenance. So the fact that this does not come with that means that it's one very reliable Lexus LS 460. If you're looking to get in the market and one of the best used large luxury sedans out there, it's definitely in the Lexus LS 460. I highly recommend this vehicle, and this one has been kept in super clean condition. I mean, you cannot find them like this anymore. So come down and see us, and you can find this beautiful 2007 Lexus LS 460 on our website exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.